Alright, I busted the tape a little bit. That's as far as I got. I figured maybe I should actually video unboxing this one, because what if I need to send it back. Look what we got here. Look how small this thing is. This is for the ladies. They put this up against their vagina and they go wee wee. Wee wee wee. Got some bags for pooping in. 15 bags. 100% degradable trash bags. That means you shit in it and then you throw it in your neighbor's yard. And looks like we got a nice carrying bag for it. Ugh. Ugh. Not sure about this. Oh, I see. It goes this way. It goes like that. What the heck? That doesn't seem right. Yeah. Well, how the heck is that going to work? But it needs to be like that. Or like that. Not like that. Maybe the fucking... Oh, okay. Okay, see, it twists. I can fix it. So, go ahead and stick that in there. Go ahead and put that in there. Pop goes the weasel. That's what she said. Hey, that one was right. That one had to be adjusted. That one needed to be adjusted. That one needed to be adjusted. Let's flip this bad boy over. Oh, hell yeah. I'm gonna be taking the most comfortable shits ever in the back of my work truck. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, this is what's up. All right. I also got some banana chews, artificially flavored candy, 240 count. This is artificially flavored banana chews. Looks like it's got a picture of a shaggy haired white guy. It's quite good. Not bad. Slowing down. Made in Brazil for R.L. Albert and Sons, Stamford, Connecticut. Sole Importers, USA. I guess so. You can only get these through them. Not bad. Good banana candy. Good shit anywhere I damn well please. Toilet chair. It's got a toilet paper holder. Look at that. Put it on the front right here. Probably won't use toilet paper. Probably just use wet wipes. Thing there so it'll hold a trash bag. I feel like it would be better to put a bucket underneath it and just put the trash bag on the bucket and just oh yeah, shit in style. Yeah, boy, let's go. All right, yeah, I'm gonna approve of this thing. Let's see, just fold it up. Uh-oh, what's going on here? Okay, I guess it goes like this. Don't lose the bag holder. Yeah, I can just leave the feet on it, legs on it. Don't lose the bag holder. And it doesn't even say toilet on it. No one will know that you'll be taking a shit. Put those bags in there. Yeah, I don't think I'll put that shit in there. Instructions, back in the box. Parts in the box. Go in there. Alright, everybody. Peace out.